Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Piano Man on the piano easily. We will start by mastering the 4 essential chords that form the song's foundation. These are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Focus on transitioning smoothly between them. Once you have these down, you are well on your way to playing this classic tune. Let's get started with the basics. Now let's focus on your left hand, which provides the iconic bass line. For each chord, your left hand will simply play the root note. So when you play a C chord, your left hand plays C. For G, play G, and so on. This creates a simple, steady walking bass pattern. Practice this slowly, ensuring a consistent rhythm. This foundation is crucial for the song's feel. With your left hand handling the bass, your right hand can focus on the chords or a simple rhythmic pattern. You can play the full chord shapes we learned, strumming them in a consistent rhythm, perhaps 2 or 4 times per measure. Another option is to play a simple arpeggio, breaking up the chord notes. The key is to keep both hands synchronized, creating a cohesive sound. Experiment to find what feels most comfortable. To bring it all together, start by practicing each hand independently until you feel confident. Then, combine both hands, beginning at a very slow tempo. Focus on smooth transitions and accurate timing between your left and right hands. As your coordination improves, gradually increase your speed. Remember to listen to the original Piano Man to truly capture its iconic feel and rhythm. Enjoy playing this timeless classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.